In this video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Vercel deployment. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to vercel.com, and then from in there, proceed to actually sign up for an account in order to access it. Now, if you already have an account, you can just go over and log in. If you want to create an account and also a project at the same time, click on the Start Deploying option. So I'll head over and just log in. Here is my actual dashboard. So under this case, let's proceed to import a project. Let's click onto this Add New and click on this project option. And you can choose from Git repository or cloning some templates. For example, let's choose right here this one. Let's click on this right here. And then you can see in here the Git scope, the repository name, as well as the theme where it will be added. Proceed to click onto this create right here, and after that, this will actually deploy. So just wait for for the creating option. It will show you this new project. You can add products, environment variables, and deployment. And here we can see the deploying progress here. So in order to stop it, what you can do is you can head over onto the deployments tab that you have. So to do it, head over right here to your Vercel. In there, you can see the deployments. And if you have any deployments available, you can head over and then delete them right there. Here is my other design as an example. I have this one. It's ready for just 16 seconds and 17 seconds. So that's actually quite very good. You can just click on a particular deployment and then from in there, proceed to delete this right here if you would want. So just scroll down and then remove this deployment right here and just stop it altogether. So that's how you stop Vercel deployment. Hope we helped.